Hello. In this video, I'll just quickly show you how can we download Power BI desktop. We'll just go to powerbi.microsoft.com and then from this is the landing page for Power BI, and from you just go to the product menu and click on Power BI desktop. There's an option to open to download Power BI desktop, but if you click on it, it will open up the Microsoft Store if you by default. But there are other ways as well. So if you want to open up the detailed version, the link to download, then just click on C download or language option. It will open up the languages and options as well as the download link this well. So make sure you it will come to the latest version which has been uploaded. In that, just click on download, select the appropriate environment. There are two types of environment: 64-bit and 32-bit. If most of the machines are now 64-bit, I'll just click on 64-bit and click on next, and then it will start download. So once it will be downloaded, I will show you how to install the Power BI desktop